Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple Magic Mouse 2 Space Gray. Here you can see it. So we have the white version too, but to match our keyboard we decided to get a space gray version here. So this connects via Bluetooth to your Mac and it's chargeable. So, and the thing is, it costs $100. So yeah, so here's the front and here's the back. And now let's open it up. So let me just get this X-Acto knife and carefully just open it up from here. So we've gotten a flap, and now we can, I think, take out the box just like this. Yeah. Oh, that was nice. That's a nice way to cut the plastic. So now let's open it up. Here is it. Here. And now let's open it up. Whoa. So once I open it, you guys can finally see the mouse. The gray glass thing, kind of, it's like very reflective and it's shiny. So here's the mouse, front, back. So space gray looks very cool, and let's see what else comes. So booklets and things. So booklet on off, lightning port. So it charges using the lightning port cable. So yeah, the other papers which nobody looks at. Okay, so let me just put this here and this to the side. So in this one, surprisingly, Apple has also put in one of the black cables, because before it's like white, and when you get the space gray iPhone, they still give you a white cable and stuff. So maybe they should just put black cables in the space gray one. So this is the Magic Mouse 2. And now over here we also have the Apple Magic Mouse 2, but this time it's white, this one. So you can see like there's a big color difference in it. So there it is. Let me just turn it around too. So those are the two. Like, see if there's anything different on the bottom. Nothing really too different. They're the same. Yeah, same thing here too, and same thing. So over here we also have the Apple touchpad, I think. Trackpad, I mean. So we have the Apple trackpad over here. So this is the older version, not the newer one. So these are the things Apple has made for you to use on your computer. So they made the Magic Mouse 2 and a trackpad, which is actually very helpful. I like it. Here they are. You can see. So the color on this, I actually like it a lot. So it's very cool. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like our video, and remember to hit the bell icon when you're subscribing, so then you know whenever our videos come. Bye!